Away we go then with the second half.
Sergio Gonzalez. Here's Luque.
Can he get the cross in? Well, the cross didn't get any further than the defender. That's out for a corner. Lifts it high. The clearance is barely out of the area. A chance, really poor defending. Now a chance for a cross. Floated in. Still not properly cleared. And he shoots from there. Safely into the keeper's gloves.
Capdevila. And Luis Garcia.
What's the chance for a good delivery?
Sergio Gonzalez.
Shooting opportunity. And a chance.
The keeper deals with it. Tyson. Van Bronckhorst thumps it forward. Van Nistelrooy.
And he belts it over the bar. Not really threatening the goalkeeper there.
He tried to beat the keeper from distance. That's fair enough, but you do need to get the ball on target, and it's harder from that range.
It's their first change of the game.
I imagine this substitution should help them sit on their lead, bringing someone on to break up the opposition attack early.
Capdevila knocks it through the defence.
There's only one in the middle. Now inside the area. They've done it! With roughly an hour played, at last they found the goal to square things up. Pegging, one goal for each of these sides.
Knowing both managers, I'm sure both sides will go for a win. The noise volume in the stadium has been cranked up and the players are responding. Either team can still win, or it might come down to a bit of luck.
And that was a very well-timed tackle. Here's Van der Vaart. Here's De Jong.
Good overlap by the defender.
Foul. With an easy decision to make. Luis Garcia. Xavi. Cesc Fabregas.
Here's an opportunity. That's a goal, and a deserved one. They've fought back superbly to take the lead for the first time.
Now that's what people pay to see. A mesmerising run, beating players with pace and trickery. This time the build-up was finished off with a goal that it deserved.
Only one goal separates the two sides now.
Well, that's certainly got the fans going. At last they've turned the game around. Is it too much to hope that they can hold on to such a slender lead?
Van der Vaart. Kout. De Jong.
So this has all come about from the through ball. Hefty clearance downfield. cutting area. What do they do here? This could be their best chance of an equaliser. That was the clearance, looks for a gap. Halted only at the last. Sergio Gonzalez. Number 5. Here's out. And missed the one. Into space. He punched the ball to safety. Cesc Fabregas. Tamudo. Luis Garcia. And that was a very well-timed tackle. Well maintained there. Robin. Halted only at the last. Tamudo. They're keeping it tight here. Referee in a good position to give it. The referee brings the game to a close. You can, I think, put this down as a tactical victory. They adapted so well to cope with the opposition's changes, even if perhaps along the way they did enjoy a little luck.
An excellent team performance and a lot of mental strength. Despite the early setback, they didn't panic, they just set about playing their own game and finished strongly.